Hey guys, welcome back to the mill. We always talk about you got to do good customer service, take care of the customer. Not every job's a home run. Not every job's 10,000 board feet. We got two little jobs this morning. I was planning on running 30 1x6s for a customer, and a guy called me right before we turned it on and said he needed 10, so we got 10 more on the tractor. So we got two little jobs. We're gonna run about 40 boards. It's not big money, but hey, you gotta keep the lights turned on. You gotta do everything you can. Hang on, and we'll be right back. Okay, thanks guys. Welcome back. We got these two stacks. They're the same thing. They're 1x6s. This is white pine and that's a yellow pine. This customer wanted a 13/16. He wanted to be able to run it through his planer just a little bit right at the end. The other one, we're going to do it 3/4. Today's going to be all about small jobs. We actually got a small sawmill order for a guy, about 150 board feet or something. Like I say, every job's not a home run, but you gotta do them all best you can if you can make money on them. So our goal right now is we're gonna run these at 3/4, get them out of the way, and then we'll come back and run these at 13/16. We appreciate you watching, guys. Okay guys, that's the first little stack. We had some boards that wasn't the best of quality, but we went ahead and planed them because we'll use them here. Them little boards we tack on the end of a stack when we're done. Be a lot easier to ride on them since they've been planed. So we're gonna do this other 30 and we'll be done with the planing. Okay guys, we finished up our poplar boards. We left these a little thick. He's gonna run through his surface planer to get a little slicker finish. I believe he told me they were for a front porch ceiling. Like I say, our goal today is little jobs. We got some logs picked out over here to do the next one with. I went back and looked at my book. We need 10 2x6s, 10 foot full dimension, and 10 1x6s. So we're gonna move this, get these logs rolled in here, and we'll get sawing a little bit. Okay, we're back. Took a little longer than expected. I happened to look at the hour meter. The mill needed a service. It's time for oil change. Plus we greased our blower, greased our edger, greased the mill. So Matthew's got our first log loaded on there. We're running a 55 thousandths Turbo 7 saw blade. It's a Wood-Mizer double hard. We get those from Joe Maine. I like the 55 thousandths. It's a little thicker. Yeah, you don't have to tell me they won't last as long, I know, but they saw excellent. I didn't put it on here particularly for this couple logs, but we got some big white pine we're gonna saw next, and that thicker blade gives me a little more assurance going through those big heavy duty white pine knots. So let's make some sawdust. Thanks guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Leroy come by to say hey, he needed a pet job. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. I guess our goal or objective for this video is small jobs. I've run a mill long enough, guys, let me tell you. It's nice when you get those big monstrous orders, you know, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 board feet. But I'll be honest with you, these small orders, little job here, those two little jobs out there, and we got another one. We're just not gonna do it today. We got 3 6-foot magnolias. They're probably 24, 30 inches round. Guy wants them slabbed out. These kind of jobs are gonna keep the lights turned on. Now you're not gonna buy a new mill off these. You're not gonna buy a new tractor. But these kind of jobs every week help keep the money flowing, help keep the lights turned on. Yeah, you can't do these to lose money, so you have to price them accordingly. But don't turn your nose up at them. I know several sawyers over the years that just despise doing this kind of little work. It ain't worth their time. Well, they're no longer sawing wood. You got to take care of these customers as well as your big customers. Most customers don't start out as big customers. They start out as small customers and they grow into bigger customers. So just bear that in mind. If you're going to be in the sawmill business, you're going to deal with these small orders. This guy's actually a family friend. He's father-in-law to my first cousin's wife, you know, if you want to follow it back that far. And I'm actually going to deliver it. And I do very little delivery. I just don't have time, but this guy's retired. I'll help him out. So, got any questions, comments, leave them in the description below. We greatly appreciate you watching. If you look over my shoulder, we got there it is. Got a new banner from Solomon. For you new people that don't know who Solomon is, he's my son-in-law. He married my daughter. They live down in Florida. Him and Matthew do all the editing on these videos. They won't let me touch the computer.
We want it done this week, not next month.
Now I do answer all the comments, and Matthew answers some of them as well, but they do all the video editing, and just want to tell Solomon we really appreciate it. But he's got 2 YouTube channels. One of them's Southern Florida Pythons.
Eastern Florida Pythons.
Yeah, Eastern Florida Pythons. And the other one is Third Beard Fishing. It's a military channel it's good for vets. Let's just say that. If you got a veteran in your family that's dealing with stuff, especially have them check out Solomon's channel. Maybe they can help one another. Guys, that's going to do it for today. We greatly appreciate you watching. Got anything you want to know, something we hadn't done, just drop it in the comments below, because we're doing something different every day. Your astute viewers, you'll notice that we saw some boards that didn't come over to this pile. Instead of being wasteful, we saw 10 extra 1.5" 5.5". If you're watching the video, you know we got a little build going out here, so we didn't waste the extra. It's sitting out there, it'll go up framing probably next week. This week's turned out busy. But guys, we appreciate it. We'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.